be opening a PC from Digital Storm, and let's take a look at it now. So these razor blades are extremely sharp. Don't cut towards you. Alright. First thing we do, shut the blade. So, first look is we have another box inside a box. Oh, we got some foam here too. Alright. We got a, ooh, nice Digital Storm t-shirt. Remote for RGB lighting. Paperwork. Hardware. Oh, they give you a certified ownership. Not a whole lot in there, just some discs for the hardware in it. But the real pride, joy will be, ooh, what's this? We have a keyboard and mouse. I didn't have a keyboard, so decided to get their $35. I would say it's a Cooler Master. Hopefully it works good. All right. First thing I'm going to do is put the box on its side. Otherwise, it's be tricky to. Alright, there we go. It is out of the box. So, pull that there. Got it in a nice pouch here. We're going to be taking our first look at the new PC that I got from Digital Storm. Oh man. Ooh, a little magnet mat, probably keep the dust out, yeah. Died while I was, I had to record, but I lost it all, but I took out the foam that was in here. Now we got a Cooler Master, a zero maintenance cooling system on here. We got a 1060 graphics card. I'll have all the specs in the description below, and man, I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and i5, one of the i5 processors. It's 6 cores. Man, I got some nice white. I can't just. It's unbelievable how great these cords, and I can't wait to get this Digital Storm PC up and running, and I would say probably about a month or two I'm going to give a review of how I think the performance is, and you guys have a great day now, and talk to you later.